observed that several people have been impersonating me online and asking for money. Now listen to me. I will never, hear me, I will never contact you personally to ask you for money for me. Never. I would never ask you for money for prayers. Please, close up. I would never ask you for money for prayers. I would never do that. So whether you're on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and you see a certain Pastor Amaechi, certain because it's not me, contacting you, asking you to give into motherless babies' home, it is not me. We only partner with ministry arms that are Christ Embassy ministry arms. So we have an NGO that is called the Inner City Mission. One of the ways you can tell that I'm not the one is they will send you an account, and it's a personal account. It's not a Christ Embassy account, and it's not an account with any name that you know. So that's not me. Don't fall. When you see those people, block them, report them, and send them out of your life. Say amen.